Discover how switching to active voice in your hotel's communications can transform guest interactions and boost satisfaction ratings. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Clear and engaging communication is the keystone of guest satisfaction, and the manner of which hotels interact with guests can significantly influence their overall experience and perception of the brand. Let's look into the benefits of using active voice in guest correspondence, highlighting its relevance and importance in enhancing communication strategies at your property. I'm going to share with you some practical applications to foster a more personal and proactive interaction with guests, ultimately contributing to increased guest loyalty and positive reviews. Did you hear the great news? The Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business course has been revitalized and relaunched. Dive into hotel success with our course, Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business. Perfect for new and seasoned hoteliers. This 12-module journey covers everything from management to guest experience. With 85 lessons across videos, MP3s, and PDFs, plus quizzes to test your knowledge, you'll gain practical skills and insights to elevate your hotel business. Discover modules on market research, financial management, team building, branding, and more. Start now and turn your hotel dream into a reality. Click the link to see how you will benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your hotel business. Active voice in writing is direct and dynamic, making statements clearer and more engaging for the reader. For hotel managers and staff, utilizing active voice in guest correspondence can transform the tone of communication, making it appear more personal and attentive. Let's look at why active voice is effective and how it positively affects your guests' perceptions. For instance, consider the difference between "your booking has confirmed," passive, and "we have confirmed your booking," active. The active voice not only clarifies who is acting, but also creates a feeling of engagement and personal service. Using active voice in guest communication has several key advantages. Messages are straightforward and less prone to misinterpretation. It fosters a sense of conversation and attentiveness, making guests feel valued. It portrays the hotel as proactive and enthusiastic about guest interactions. An example of active voice in action could be during a service recovery situation. "We are addressing your concern immediately" is more reassuring than "your concern is being addressed," emphasizing the hotel's commitment to resolving issues swiftly. Transitioning to active voice involves more than just one sentence reconstructing. It requires a mindset shift towards proactive customer service. It means integrating active voice into various forms of guest correspondence, including booking confirmations, pre-arrival emails, and service feedback requests. Training sessions for staff can be incredibly beneficial, focusing on examples and role-play scenarios to highlight the effectiveness of active voice in real-life situations. How does a simple shift in grammar influence guest loyalty? Switching from passive to active voice in hotel communications can significantly improve guest satisfaction and return rates, making messages clearer, more direct, and more engaging. Make sure to check this week's tip at hotelierhelpcast.com. Let's look at Ocean View Resort, a medium-sized hotel located by a popular coastal destination. They noticed stagnating guest satisfaction scores and a dip in return guest rates. Feedback indicated that their communication style might be contributing to the issue. The hotel decided to revise its communication strategy by training its staff and updating its written materials to use active voice. The change included email communication. Before, your reservation has been confirmed by our team. After, our team has confirmed your reservation. Promotional materials. Before, special offers are provided throughout the year. After, we provide special offers throughout the year. Feedback requests. Before, feedback is requested at the end of your stay. After, please share your feedback at the end of your stay. Service descriptions. Before, room service is offered 24/7. After, we offer room service 24/7. Over 3 months, staff were trained in the use of active voice for verbal and written communications. The hotel's marketing materials, guest correspondence, and internal communications were revised to reflect this change. The results? Within 6 months of implementing the change, guest satisfaction surveys showed a 10% improvement in scores related to clarity and helpfulness of communication. The clarity and directness of the active voice also had a positive impact on return rates, which increased by 8% in the year following the change. Guests commented on how personable and engaging the communication had become, making them feel more connected to the hotel. Employees reported that active voice enabled them to engage more effectively with guests, leading to more dynamic interactions and an overall improvement in service delivery. The shift from passive to active voice in Ocean View's resort communications made the hotel seem more welcoming and attentive, directly contributing to improved guest experiences and higher return rates. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that shifting from passive to active in hotel communications can be challenging. Here are some of the common challenges that hotels have faced making this shift and the strategies they use to overcome them. Staff training and adaptation. The issue: staff, particularly those who have been with the hotel for a long time, are used to the way things have been and might not want to change. Changing this habit requires not only retraining, but also a shift in mindset. Solution: conduct comprehensive training sessions that emphasize the benefits of active voice. These include role-playing scenarios and before and after text transformations to highlight the impact of active versus passive voice. Consistency across all communications. The issue: ensuring that all forms of communication, emails, brochures, website content, and verbal interaction, consistently use active voice can be challenging, especially for larger properties with multiple departments. The solution: appoint communication champions within each department. These individuals are responsible for monitoring and ensuring that active voice is used consistently. Additionally, using templates and guidelines for common communications can help maintain consistency. Culture and language differences. In a multicultural setting, some staff members might find active voice less natural than passive voice, particularly if their first language structures sentences differently. Solution: tailoring language training that respects cultural differences while promoting the benefits of active voice can be effective. Also, providing multilingual examples can help illustrate how active voice works in various languages. Measuring impact. It can be difficult to measure how changes in voice affect guest satisfaction and return rates. Your solution? Hotels have addressed these by using specific metrics in guest satisfaction surveys that ask about clarity and effectiveness of communication. This data is then analyzed to see if improvements correlate with the use of active voice. Updating existing materials. The issue: revising existing marketing materials, contracts, and digital content to reflect the new style of communication can be time-consuming and costly. Solution: phase in the changes, starting with the most guest-facing materials such as emails and promotional contact, and then gradually updating the less critical documents as needed. This phased approach reduces the immediate burden and spreads out the cost. Are you ready to take your hotel business to new heights? Get your hands on our comprehensive guide, Unlocking Hospitality Success: 25 Must-Know Insights for Independent Hotel Owners. It's packed with the wisdom you need to stand out in the crowded hospitality market. Think of it as your secret weapon to outshine the competition. Download your free copy now. Just follow the links in the show notes. What challenges have you faced in updating communication strategies within your hotel? Share your experiences in the comments below. In conclusion, embracing active voice in guest correspondence is not just a stylistic choice. It's a strategic business decision that enhances clarity, engagement, and responsiveness in communication. Hotels that successfully implement this approach can expect to not only improve guest satisfaction, but also foster a greater loyalty and advocacy among their guests. By focusing on clear, direct, engaging interactions, hotels can significantly enhance their operational effectiveness and guest relations. In the next episode, I will talk about non-negotiable grammar rules for hospitality professionals. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.